This is the most impressive window renovation I've ever seen, and you won't believe the finished result. Watch how this lady makes this little dinky Yorkshire sash look like $1,000,000 in the next 30 seconds. She's already replaced the whole bottom section with a brand new windowsill and is now adding a wood repair compound so it will stay in place perfectly for years to come. She's almost done. Once it's hardened, she sands the rough edges, and now the fun part, painting. Adding silicone and one by one placing the new windows. She makes sure everything's perfect by removing the excess using a simple putty knife, taping the sides, and painting the sill in this beautiful olive color. This is the finished result. How do you like it?